Alright, partner. Gotta keep on rolling, baby. You know what time it is. Now I know you'll be loving this shit right here. Limp Bizkit is right here. People in the house, put them hands in the air, 'cause if you don't care, then we don't care. Move out, hands up and hands down, back up, tell me what you're gonna do now. Breathe in, breathe out, hands up and hands down. Keep rolling, 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 what? Keep rolling. Come on, keep rolling, 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 yeah. Keep rolling. You wanna mess with Limp Bizkit? Well, you can't mess with Limp Bizkit, because we get it on every day and every night. And this platinum thing right here, well, we're doing it all the time. So you better get some better beats and some better rhymes. Move in, move out,